Dennis here, CroatianSports.com. It's November 27th, 2 p.m. local Zagreb time. I'm joined by a familiar face in Croatian football. For some of you, he's a hero. For others, he's a villain. Without further ado, Mr. Igor Štimac. Welcome. Glad you can join us.
Thank you.
Let's get right to it. You've had some good results with NK Zagreb since taking over. What is your secret?
The only secret is my work here at the training ground of Football Club Zagreb. We've been together now for nearly 3 months and we started getting results. I can tell you that the dressing room of the players is looking far better now, the atmosphere is far better, and that is what produces the results at the end on the football pitch.
Some of our followers would like the HNL to be reduced next season. What have you heard from that, and what do you feel should be improved the quality of the HNL?
We cannot put ourselves in position to thought and think about some wishes of some followers. With a league of 16 clubs, we took responsibility of taking care in the near future about Croatian football, and that's his perspective, that's his future. We are trying to develop few more clubs in Croatian football in the cities where football used to be the first thing in people's lives. That's why we decided to go with the League 16. And we are very successful at the moment. That's what is showing us that we are in the right way, right position about our decisions.
We have a question from Ante BBB. He says, it's obvious Markovic must go. Who besides yourself would you like to see take charge of HNS?
A few weeks ago I announced that I will put myself into position to become the next president with certain projects for the future of Croatian football. That's telling you that I'm trying to do my best to show the best of myself for everybody who is following Croatian football with certain programs and certain projects which will be very important for Croatian football in the future. There is as well Davor Šuker, who had one interview with Croatian journalists who said that he would be interested to become next president. So I think there will be a few names, very interesting names, next year when this assemblies takes place, and there will be people who will decide about the programs we are going to present.
We have a few questions from Živa Istina. He's asking, what is the conflict of interest with you as coach and your brother as an agent? And how can the coach of NK Zagreb, yourself, have shares in Hajduk? And also, what is your relationship with the now dead Dino Pokrovac?
I don't see any conflict of interest there. I'm taking care of my job in a very honest and professional way. My brother is football manager and a lawyer as well, and Croatian law is giving him opportunity to take care of his job. As long and as far as we're doing this job in an honest way, there is no conflict of interest.
And can you explain being coach of Zagreb and having shares in Hajduk as well?
There is the same answer.
There's no conflict of interest.
Like Croatian law, as a coach of Zagreb, I'm just trying to do my best on the pitch for Football Club Zagreb, and that's it.
Us as Croatian Soccer Report would like to host Hajduk Split or Dinamo Zagreb for possible friendlies or a tour around the US and Canada. What are the chances of seeing this happen? Is this possible?
It depends on the programs and wishes of people in those clubs. I remember my tour with Hajduk Split, that was 1991 or 1992, as I remember, when we were visiting Canada and US. We played, I think, 4 games then, and that was a great tournament, great experience for all of us and as well for the people who live there. I just hope that in the near future Dinamo and Hajduk will find time to visit US and to take care of your wishes as well.
How do you feel about Bilic's performance, and should he be able to continue? A question by Andre.
We have to look at Bilic's work in a 4-year period. I think that first 2 years were very successful, and that is the main reason why I think that he is the best solution for the next couple of years for Croatian national team.
Do you see yourself taking over as manager?
No, I already said that my next ambition is to become president of Croatian Football Federation.
And the most important question and final question, if you become the HNS HNS president, is there a possibility that you will organize a friendly somewhere in the United States?
It's difficult to talk about it from this distance. You have to understand that. But what we are going to do is to get connected to all of our people abroad, to make them feel part of our organization, football organization, and if not the first team, then we're going to make sure that one of the younger teams comes and visits you.
So would there be any positives out of Croatia playing a friendly in the United States, or is that totally out of the question?
I don't know, I cannot think about it now from this perspective.
Okay. And there you have it, Igor Štimac, General Manager of NK Zagreb. I wish you good luck the rest of the season. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and best regards to all of our people and your visitors on the site. I hope in the near future that Croatia will find time to visit you, and as well as our clubs, Dinamo and Hajduk.
Thank you. Bye-bye.